Vimeo's AI Script Generator is a tool within the Vimeo platform that helps you create video scripts quickly using artificial intelligence. Launched in 2023 and updated through 2025, it allows you to input a topic, tone, or outline, and it generates a tailored script for videos, podcasts, and presentations. It streamlines content creation, especially for those needing a starting point or facing writer's block. The basic version is free, with premium tiers offering advanced AI editing and analytics. To start, access the AI Script Generator through Vimeo Create or Vimeo Record on the web or mobile app. Input a clear prompt describing your desired video. For example, create a 2-minute script on sustainable farming trends. Specify the desired length, style, conversational, formal, and target audience, B2B, educational. The AI will generate a structured script with sections like an introduction, body, and conclusion. Multilingual support is available, allowing you to generate scripts in over 20 languages. Once the initial script is generated, use built-in AI-assisted editing tools to refine it. These tools help improve clarity, flow, and effectiveness of your content. Add smooth transitions between sections and incorporate relevant keywords for better SEO performance. This ensures your content flows naturally and ranks well in search results. The tool integrates seamlessly with Vimeo's text-to-speech feature, allowing you to generate lifelike voiceovers directly from your edited script. Real-time collaboration features enable multiple users to edit the script simultaneously, making it ideal for team projects and faster iterations. Always review the AI's suggestions carefully to ensure accuracy and alignment with your brand voice. Human oversight prevents generic or incorrect content. After completing your script edits, import it directly into Vimeo's recording interface. This seamless integration allows you to move from writing to recording without leaving the platform. The AI analyzes your script content and provides intelligent suggestions for camera angles that best suit your narrative. For example, close-ups for emotional moments, or wide shots for establishing scenes. For lighting setups, the AI recommends configurations like 3-point lighting to create professional-looking videos. The key light provides main illumination, fill light reduces shadows, and backlight adds depth. The AI also suggests pacing based on script analysis, recommending where to pause for emphasis or speed up for energy. This helps ensure your delivery matches the intended tone of your content. Utilize auto-captioning to automatically generate subtitles from your speech, making your videos accessible to wider audiences. Background removal helps create a clean, professional look by eliminating distracting elements behind you. To complete your recording process, practice reading through the script multiple times. This helps you deliver your content naturally and confidently, avoiding awkward pauses or rushed sections. Many creators are finding success with Vimeo's AI Script Generator across different fields. Let's look at some real-world examples. A university professor used the tool to create lecture scripts on climate change. After editing for accuracy and adding AI voiceovers, the tool handled multilingual translations for international students, resulting in a 30% increase in student engagement, according to Vimeo's case study. A small e-commerce brand generated scripts for product demos, customizing them for social media through Vimeo's partnership with Adobe. According to their case study, this cut production time by 50% and led to a 25% rise in conversion rates. The popular podcast Tech Talks leveraged the tool to produce over 200 scripts for episode outlines, integrating real-time edits during recording. This exemplifies the scalability of the AI script generator for episodic content. Experts from firms like Gartner and Forrester consider Vimeo's AI script generator a leader in creator economy tools. A 2025 Forrester report found that 68% of marketers rated AI script tools as highly effective for ideation. Vimeo's user data shows over 2 million scripts generated monthly. 75% of users report saving 2 to 3 hours per project. It's most popular among millennials and Gen Z creators for educational content. The future of AI script generation is moving towards multimodal AI, where scripts are created alongside visual elements such as thumbnails and storyboards. This integration allows creators to generate cohesive content packages that combine text with imagery, making the production process more efficient and visually engaging. Expect deeper integrations with augmented reality and virtual reality technologies. This will enable immersive recording environments where creators can virtually place themselves in different settings or use AR overlays during script performance, revolutionizing how videos are captured and produced. Predictive analytics for audience engagement is on the horizon. By analyzing viewer data and behavior patterns, AI can suggest script modifications that maximize engagement, potentially reducing overall content creation time by up to 60% through optimized storytelling and pacing. It is crucial to address ethical considerations in AI script generation. Issues like AI bias in content, potential inaccuracies or hallucinations in outputs, and the risk of homogenized content necessitate human oversight, regulatory frameworks, and ongoing ethical evaluation to ensure responsible use. To get the best results, provide detailed prompts and refine the AI-generated script with your unique creative input. Always double-check for factual accuracy and ensure the script aligns with your brand's voice and values. Be aware of potential AI hallucinations or inaccuracies and use human oversight to correct them. By combining AI assistance with your expertise, you can create compelling and effective video content.